So, indigenous forecasts aren't reliable anymore because of climate change.
You can't assume that. What a crazy thing to say. You yourself still make weather forecasts, even though climate change is happening.
Yes, but those weather forecasts come from physics, based on physical relationships about how air moves around.
Many indigenous or local forecasts are also based on physical relationships. People track the movement of the clouds and the winds and use that to forecast the weather.
So, they do the same thing we do with our weather observations?
There are some similarities, but indigenous and local forecasts are based on a deep understanding of a certain place. They might know things that your weather models don't even know.
Like what?
For example, in some regions, indigenous people have passed down information about warning signs for rare storms and tsunamis, for example, which happened before modern weather observations even started.
Wow. So, how can I know how to work with indigenous and local forecasting, for example, for anticipatory action?
Indigenous and local forecasting is based on local knowledge of relationships, A preceding B. It isn't generalizable. You would need to work with people on a case by case basis to see what kind of action they would recommend based on their forecasting.
So, there's no universal model I can plug into my anticipatory action framework?
Nope, but there is a universal principle: respect. Start by listening. Ask what local experts already know and what they trust. Then build from there.
Okay, noted. Less plug and play, more sit and listen.
Exactly. Think of it less like installing a weather station and more like joining a conversation that's already been going on for generations.